Hey Wastelanders, I'm Gary from The Last Ranger, and I got for you an unboxing. I'm lucky to get this knife. When you see this knife, maybe you'll think I'm lucky, because there was only 100 made, and I don't know how I lucked out. I think this sold out in minutes. Let's see what I got. Some candy. A sticker. And a knife. So I use this lander, cut it open because I got a special lander. If you can tell, like, oh, I knocked my grumpy monkey over. He's flipping the bird to everyone. Don't take offense to it. So this is the exclusive Lunar Lander scales version, limited edition. It's in chroma scales. It's basically this knife with different scales. Scales of the moon. So the eagle has, you can pause your screen to read the eagle has landed type. And you notice moon stickers on the end that keep this knife closed. To the moon amigos, we must be bold. JFK 1962. I'm fascinated by the moon, space. I don't know if I've ever said that, but I used to listen to my grandma's record of, it was a 33, and it was like a multiple records. It was the whole trip to the moon in record form. I even have it still somewhere in my storage unit. I have the record, but I probably couldn't find it right now for the video. Maybe I'll find it for the review. So let's check out these this moon knife. I hate to cut it, but I'm one that collects knives and I use them. So I'm not gonna like baby this and just put it in my safe or knife box and never open it. Like I said, it's numbered. I think it's of 100. I don't quite know the numbering system. I'll have to, like, it's a little bit different. So it's the usual material. Let's get that out of the way. So this is three-dimensional. You can tell it's raised. These are textured handles with the real moon surface. I think it's supplied by NASA. No knife is the same in the 100 knives. They're all 100 different pictures. That goes for the back and the front, I'm told. And this came with a Lunar Lander bead. I don't know if he'll eventually sell the bead separately. I hope so. I really kind of like it. I would trade out this bead of the bomb for a Lunar Lander. Like I said, I like anything space. And I'm going to cut this bead off, though. I kind of don't like how it was tied. It's a pretty crappy tie job, but I don't expect Ben to know how to tie lanyards. He's busy creating other great things. So when you see the video intro, I'll have removed this bead. I'll leave it on there for now, but it's going to go. It's just lovely, lovely scales. This is the only scales that I wanted to purchase for the Lunar Lander so far. I just dig space themes, and I dig how these scales are touchable, and like they're raised and they have the craters and stuff, and that you can feel them. I love this. I was lucky to get this knife. You can see a boot print on the knife clip. So this is 0127. I don't know if this is number, I think this might be 27. I think that they had a weird naming or numbering system. I think it was 140 to some other number. So I don't know if it's 127 or it's 27 of 100. I really don't know. I'll have to look it up and see if I can understand the numbering system. But this is, of course, in D2. And yeah, let's see if it flips as nice as the black one does. Yep. I wouldn't expect less. Man, I love this knife. I really love the blade, or the black version of the blade. So I'm not gonna drag this out in a long video. I'm just gonna show you guys, and I'll probably do several videos of it. I'll do a in-depth review of it, and I'll probably do a couple shorts and some pictures. Like I said, I'm just really glad that I got this knife. I was able to pick this up. I thought I missed out, but I somehow got one. My camera is right in front of my face, and I can't see it, and I'm just like going based on feeling, hoping I flip it out right. Anyway, this is a really, really, I want to say, grail for me, because I have never successfully picked up one of Ben's special knives, and I really wish he would like announce these sooner. Not just, I think he announced this the day before, and I've signed up for his newsletter, but I've never seen him announce this lander until it basically came out. So I was up early and at the right time, and I quickly tried to buy one, and I think I got a couple errors, but eventually I think it went through and I got it. I was like pissed that I thought that I didn't get it, but I got it. I like it. If you're watching this, Ben, I mean, you probably aren't. I really dig this. I really dig this knife. I dig this so much. Take care, Wastelanders.